Hi everyone, welcome back. I just got back from a wedding this morning. It was a very early wedding and I did hair for this wedding and I was in the middle organizing for my hair kit, and I figured why not just make a video of how I organize my kit. So this is the chair that I have. This is very light. So you can kind of see like how low the chair is. I'm gonna sit, it goes sideways. Okay, it's nice because let's say for example you're doing someone's hair, you want them below you. Let's move on to my hair kit. I got this kit from Hobby Lobby. If you scrapbook a lot, you're gonna know this brand, but this is scrapbooking bag. I tested it at the store and I kind of like experimented with like different compartments, and I was like, this would be perfect to do hair with, and so I ended up buying it. And so, you know, if you shop at Hobby Lobby, you could always get 40% off at the store. So this ended up to be, I believe this was less than $75 on this side. So on this side, there's like a mesh pocket that's open. I don't have anything in there, just like a plastic bag. And then I have my sanitizer, you know me and my sanitizer. I cannot go anywhere without a sanitizer, especially if you're working on somebody. It looks good. It looks more professional when you have a sanitizer. Always have gum with you. And I have an outlet here. I have just like a squirt bottle with just water inside. You never know when you're gonna need water. And then I have a travel dry oil. It's a controlled spray, and it's the number 14 of Kenra. I have that. Okay, so we're gonna move on to this little flap here that I have. And I have a straightening iron. This is the Nano Titanium Babyliss Pro. I have little donut hair pieces. Is that what you call it? Donut hair pieces. And so I just like buy these just in case. I have a bride that wants to have that fuller bun and they don't have a lot of hair. They don't have hair extensions, and so I just carry this. And then we're gonna move on to the top part of this. Okay, so this is just like a little baggie that I have. And in here, I have my business cards. Try not to go without your business card. I have coins. The reason why I carry coins is 75% of the weddings that I do, they're usually in downtown, and downtown I always have to put money in the meter to park. Don't forget to bring your phone charger. It has worked with me in the past. Everyone knows that I love to take pictures. And if you're somebody that's just starting, always make sure to take pictures of anything that you have done, because this goes to your portfolio. I have built my portfolio with my Instagram. It's just my Instagram that I've used. I've built that just because I'm very consistent. Anybody that wants to know, oh, so you do hair and makeup, do you have a portfolio? And then when you say, I don't have one, that doesn't really look good. So make sure you have portfolio, or even an Instagram. Like I said, I use my Instagram. I now have my website, so it was very easy to build. A little bit longer, but like an extension cord. Always have a mirror. 2 bags. I just reorganized this, by the way. So I have 2 bags that I bought from Amazon. So I'm gonna open this bag. I have 2 rat tail combs, which is, this one is more of a wide tooth and this is a fine tooth, but these are rat tail combs. This is the brush that you have seen in a lot of my videos. I really like this brush. It's great for blow drying. For this one, this is more of like my blow dry essentials. In the top section, I'm gonna show you this top section. I have 3 different sizes of my round brush. This big compartment down here of my blow dryer, which is the one that I have is the Dyson one. This actually was a graduation present from my husband. If you know him, he's very techie. I think without him, I would still probably be stuck with like an iPhone 5 or something. So I have the diffuser here to blow dry. And then also I have this. So I have 3 curling irons. I use the same brand. If you've watched my curling video, I use the same brand, but the only difference between this curling iron and the curling iron that I've used in my previous video, which was curling my hair, is this is a Marcel iron. I have a story for this Marcel iron. So this Marcel iron, if you've never seen it before, so basically you take the hair, you clamp it, and then you kind of turn it. So it's more intricate than your regular clamp. The reason why I wanted to get this is because it goes up to 430 degrees, and I believe with the other ones with a clamp, it doesn't go up that high. And I made sure that the Marcel, the iron, is not coated, so it definitely heats up the hair faster, and it's more efficient. And I know a lot of hairdressers don't like to use the Marcel, but I was told when I was in hair school, okay, somebody actually, I felt like it was a challenge, because she said that anybody can curl a hair. So you go to a wedding and then the bridesmaids could curl their own hair with a clamp, but not everybody can use a Marcel. And so I was like, challenge accepted. And so I definitely, I practice on the Marcel. I can do it on myself, but I prefer doing it on somebody else. This is a 2-inch barrel of Marcel that I have. And then I have a small one, which is, this is a 1/2 inch, I believe, the same. It's a Marcel, the same brand, which is Hot Tools. I think this is 1.5 inches, or no, this is 1 inch barrel, and this is the most popular barrel that I use on my clients. I'm gonna share this with you guys too, because this really helped me out a lot. And so when I first started doing bridal hair full-time, I've had plenty of accidents, and I like it because it is a mat, but at the same time, like, it's like a little container for your curling iron. I got this from Amazon for, I want to say, less than $10. This is perfect because when you're packing up, unplugged it, you just like put it in there. This is called a tackle box. I got this from the fishing section at Walmart, and this was very cheap. Like, I want to say it was $7. Open it just like this. You could take out like this top part, and I always put it underneath here. That way, whenever you're setting up, it's not just like laying there flapping. And like these sections was not like this. Like, it comes with like a little divider thing, and you are able to divide everything. So you could kind of customize this to your liking. These are my black ones, my black hairpins and bobby pins. These are my brunette blonde ones, dirty blonde ones here, right here. And then in this section, I have my blonde bobby pins and pins, and then I have the gray ones, like for my grandmas that have gray hair, or if you have like an icy blonde client, you would want to use the silver, you use a silver pin and bobby pin. In this section here, I have regular rubber bands. I'll show you it one day. I'll make a video about it, but there's certain styles that I use these rubber bands for, because I feel like they're more sturdy and it keeps your hairstyle, it secures your hairstyle. So I use this one. And then I just have like random things here. Like, I have a little clip just in case somebody asks for a clip. And then I have all of these like little hair ties. Like, on this side, I have my alligator clips right here. And then this side over here, I use this is where I put my black small rubber bands, and you could find these at the dollar store. I got these from Walmart, I think. And so anywhere I could find this, like, I usually pick it up because I use this on my daughter as well. And in this side, I have the clear ones, and this one, I have the clear ones. So I used to buy mine from the dollar store or the Amazon, but I find that these like bigger ones, it's like a thicker one. I find that Target carries it, and it's a little bit more pricey compared to like the dollar store, but it's very sturdy. And so I think I'm gonna start buying my clear rubber bands from Target. I have the IGK 30,000 feet volume powder spray. This is awesome. Like, I love the smell of this. So if you've used IGK, you know what kind of smell I'm talking about. Anytime I use IGK in any of my clients, they always ask me what brand it is because they really, really like the smell. And so even their powder has that smell, and I really like that smell. So I love this one. And then on this side, I have these clips, and I use these clips if I have a client that wants like a Hollywood glam look. That way I could kind of set their curls. So this is really good. And then I have these extra ones too. I rarely use these, but this is just in case in this middle section. And then I have also these, like these are for like to set their curls as well. Let's move on to the products that I have in here, okay? So for hairspray, I use the Sebastian Shaper Plus, and then I have this Kenra volume spray, and this is also like a finishing spray, and it's the number 25. These numbers of the Kenra mean a lot because all of their bottles look like this. The only difference is the writing, but it says Kenra in the top and then the number, so it makes a big difference. One is the Kenra Platinum Matte Finish. This is a high definition hairspray, and this is the number 16. I find that whenever you hairspray this, please tell your clients not to walk out the door because they will end up with like static in their hair. So let this hairspray set for a little bit before they start walking around, because I've had a bride that her hair kind of, whew, as soon as she walked out, as soon as we finished doing her hair. So be careful. Like I said, it helps that you play with your products first before you try it on somebody else. That way you know what to expect with that particular product. I have another Kenra, which is the volume dry shampoo, and it's oil absorbing shampoo. I have the shaping spray, which is, this is firm hold. The smell of this is really good. I've had today's bride asked me what brand this was because it smelled really good. And this is number 21. This is the IGK Beach Club. I go through this like these bottles, a lot of these bottles, and I would have to buy a new one because it smells good and it works well, which is also IGK, and it's the first class charcoal detox dry shampoo. So this is the deep cleanse level. So there's different levels of the dry shampoo, and this is the detox level. So I'm guessing this is more of like, I think the second day or third day. So there's different, if you look at their website or if you look up IGK dry shampoo or IGK products, there's different kinds of dry shampoo that they've already released, and this was one of them, and I really like this. Like, I had my bride today, she said, what were the products that you used on my hair, because my hair stayed, and her hair never stays curly. And when we did her trial, she said it was very windy, but it stayed curly, and I was very happy with my hair, and I want to know what products you use. So it was this one and then this combo together. That's it. I have another one that is also IGK. Can you tell that I'm obsessed with IGK? Can you? This one is the Down and Out Dirty Spray. So I use this one if somebody has clean hair. This one is the Diva Curl Believe In Miracle Curl Plumper, and it's texture and volume. And so it styles and shapes it. So this is the Catwalk by TG. It says hot iron spray. This is the inside of the bag. All right, guys, so that concludes my Freelance hair kit. I've shown you the chair that I use. I've shown you the bag that I've put together that's been working for me for about 2 years. And I've shown you how I organize. I hope that you guys found this video helpful. I hope this inspired you to put your kit together. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe, and share it to somebody that might find this helpful.